Is AI going to take your job? According to a report from Goldman Sachs, around 300 million jobs globally could be affected by generative AI, with 18% of work potentially being automated. Advanced economies, particularly in the US and Europe, are expected to bear the brunt of this transformation. So, which industries are expected to be hit by AI first? And how should HR be preparing for it? HRreview takes a deep dive into what the job market should expect from AI over the coming years. According to KPMG's 2023 Global Tech Report, the tech revolution over the past 2 years has seen a staggering 66% of organizations report exceptional success in leveraging technology to advance their business strategies. This paved the way for a fourfold increase in senior leader support for deploying emerging tools and technologies. Enter generative AI, the game changer. The rise of generative AI marks a groundbreaking shift in various industries, encompassing technology, banking, and media. This category of AI, capable of generating novel content based on existing data, is proving to be the next frontier. For example, in 2022, the advent of DALL-E 2, a deep learning model, captured attention for its remarkable capability to produce digital images from textual prompts. Also, and more recently, ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has surged into the spotlight, showcasing advanced conversational abilities. So, who's in the crosshairs? Finance and banking are at the forefront of AI adoption. Banks are incorporating AI into their business models, with potential job cuts, job creation, and increased efficiency on the horizon. By 2027, China's financial sector may see 23% of jobs replaced by AI, according to the World Economic Forum. Banks are being driven to incorporate AI into aspects of their business for a variety of reasons. According to a report by Deloitte, competition with other banks is a main driver of this. In the modern competitive landscape, banks employ AI to optimize existing services, including new offerings, and provide personalized customer experiences, especially in the face of competition from fintechs. Also, the explosion of big data, encompassing structured and unstructured information, has revolutionized customer interactions. Banks now leverage a 360 view of customer interactions, including transaction history and social media engagements, to offer personalized services. Media and marketing are also experiencing a revolution. Christian Hammond, chief scientist of natural sciences, told the BBC that in 15 years, AI is predicted to write 90% of news. Companies like Axel Springer are transitioning to digital only, with ChatGPT being used to write news stories. In marketing, AI usage has soared, with high-performing teams planning to increase AI and machine learning use. Legal services are not exempt either. AI is helping in drafting legal papers and addressing access to justice concerns. Startups, like Law Geeks, are reading contracts faster and more accurately than humans, signaling a huge shift in the legal industry. For example, an attorney used ChatGPT to publish a 14-page legal paper published in Social Science Research Network on a range of prompts, including creating a contract, explaining why the Supreme Court's decision on same-sex marriage shouldn't be appealed, and developing deposition questions. However, not all sectors face the same level of disruption. Manufacturing and factory workers, agriculture, and healthcare are all among the least impacted. While manufacturing has been automating for years, AI may accelerate the process with innovations like the Tesla bot. Agriculture and healthcare, deeply rooted in tradition, may see automation but at a slower pace. As we stand at the crossroads of this technological revolution, the impact on jobs is undeniable. While some sectors brace for significant changes, others find themselves on a steadier path. The future of work is evolving, and it's up to us to adapt. So, what role will you play in this AI-powered world? The choice is yours.